Hello students, today we're having grade 9 mathematics and I'll be explaining to you how to solve algebraic fractions. On the board we have a question involving algebraic fractions which states 3 all over x minus 1 minus 2 all over x plus 5 is equal to 0. A question like this requires simple step-by-step procedure, which is number 1, you transfer this negative fraction which is minus 2 all over x plus 5 from where it is to the other side of the equality sign. Since we have a 0 there, it becomes 3 all over x minus 1 equals 2 all over x plus 5. Now we can see it's like adding 0 to 2 all over x plus 5. Okay, when you add 0 to a number, it gives you the same number. So whenever you add a 0 to any quantity, it gives you the same quantity. So we have on the left hand side of the equation 3 all over x minus 1 is on the right hand side you have 2 all over x plus 5. Having an equation in this form, the next step to take is to apply what is known as the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication simply means the numerator of the right hand side multiplied by the denominator of the left hand side, and the numerator of the left hand side multiplied by the denominator of the right hand side of the fractions. So when we do that, this is how it will look like. Now 2 comes to multiply this, 3 comes to multiply this. So we have 2 multiplying x minus 1. The bracket here tells you that 2 multiplies everything in the bracket, which is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 5. The bracket again indicates that 3 multiplies everything in the bracket. So when you have this done, next step is to expand this bracket. In other words, open this bracket by multiplying through with everything inside this bracket. So I have 2 times x giving you 2x. 2 times negative 1 gives you negative 2 or minus 2. 3 times x gives you 3x. 3 times plus 5 gives you plus 15, positive 15. Next step is to collect terms that look alike. I have terms in x on the left hand side, term in x on the right hand side, and I have ordinary numbers without the x terms on both the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation. So we collect them separately. So 2x and 3x here. Now let's take the smaller one to meet the bigger one. Okay, and we have 2x goes to meet 3x here. 15 comes to meet minus 2 here. So we have minus 2 minus 15 equals 3x minus 2x. Minus 2 minus 15 using your number line, it means you are counting in the negative direction, backwards. Okay, your number line is such that you have 0 at the center. On the right hand side of the 0 of your number line, you have positive numbers. On the left hand side, you have negative numbers. So when you are counting on the negative direction, you add up the numbers in the negative direction. So minus 2 minus 15 gives you minus 17 because you are counting in the negative direction, which is equal to 3x minus 2x gives you 1x. But in mathematics, you don't usually write 1 in front of an x. So 1 that is supposed to be here is seen to be invisible, although we consider it as 1. The coefficient of x there is 1, even though you cannot see it. Okay, so this simply tells you that the value of x is negative 17, or you can simply write x equals minus 17, and that is the final answer. Thank you.